Oh, we got them all unpackaged here. Tumbler, 2 keys, came from this place, and we got a gas cap. Looks good. And we got the door lock. In this 04 there was only one lock, and it was on the passenger side. And the story behind having only the passenger side with a passenger side lock was that you parallel parked and you got out on the right side, the passenger side. To get this door lock off, you need to come inside and pull the inside plate off. Okay, I'll turn the camera off while I pull those screws off. Okay, we got the plate off. We're inside here, and you can see the lock has a keeper on it. It looks like we get it from the outside. You'll find the keeper out here underneath the weather stripping. So let's get a screwdriver. You have to work at it a little bit, but that keeper will come out. There we go. Now the lock should come out. See, that little piece on the end is going to have to come off and be put on the new one. See what we got here. A little trick to getting that spring up and over the edge, and then slip this out, and watch that spring. It will fly off when you get it out. So keep it in a confined place. I found mine laying on the floor. So okay, with that, we're going to reinsert this and put the clip back in. Okay, there you go. We got the lock back in. The clip was a little tricky to get back in, but keep pushing it in until it goes all the way flat like that. And that's it. There's a tiny hole that the end up there slips into. You can see it right there. Just make sure that gets in there. Put the plate back on and we'll be done. There you go. Take the rag off. My wife really didn't like that. I thought it looked too much like one of those motel cocktails. There you go. Fits good. Alright. Here we are. I got the ignition switch out. I had to grind a little brass thing off here that keeps it from sliding out. Apparently you have to turn the lock to get that button, to get that little button to go down. So I'm going to slip it in here. Okay, you have to push this little button down here. Turn the key a little bit, then it'll go down. There we go. Oh, we got the ignition switch back in. Nothing to it. A little spring on the switch goes on the back side, and then your little cover here goes on this side. And has little like blades it catches hold of and then screws in. That's it. Ignition switch on and it works. Very good.